Student friends, in last week we studied the different tones which are used for telephone communication, where we have studied the dial tone, ringtone, number busy tone, number not available tone, are the different types of the tones which are used to understand the communication concept between subscriber and that of the telephone exchange. Friends, today we are going to study a dialing system, especially it is used for electronic telephone exchange. Friends, before existence of electronic telephone exchange, there was central battery feed exchange or local battery feed exchanges were present. At that time, the telephone number is dialed by using pulse dialing system. Pulse dialing system is a kind of a system that contains 0 to 9 numbers in a circular format on the telephone handset, which has attached stopper. All these number systems are connected inside to electromechanical circuit making and breaking system that breaks the system when number is dialing, and after number is dialed it connect the circuit. So this is done by electromagnetic or electromechanic arrangement within the telephone handset. Such a dialing system has a rotary dialing aspect that transmits 10 pulses per second, and the process utilized was you have to put a finger in the hole associated with that corresponding digit of the number to be dialed, pull it back up to stopper and release it. When you bring that number up to stopper, the circuit will be broken. When you release it, internal circuit is going to be gets connected. And when it is connected, 10 pulses of high current are passed in 1 second. Accordingly, entire number containing those many digits are dialed, at the cost of which you will be get connected with the telephone exchange. Consequently, telephone exchange helps the subscriber to connect with the other subscriber and maintains unbreakable continuous link between the two subscriber till the completion of the call. So this was the rotary or pulse dialing system which was used prior to existence of the electronic telephone exchange. But friends, nowadays such a pulse dialing system or rotary dialing system is not used. The reason is, at present Digital electronic telephone exchanges are in working condition, and hence pulse dialing system is not adequate to use for such a well developed digital electronic telephone exchanges. So that's why those pulse dialing system were replaced by means of a present dialing system which we are using everywhere. Even we are using this particular dialing system on your mobile keypad, and also nowadays it is used on the telephone handset. Such a system presently used to dial the telephone number is known as DTMF dialer. Student friends, today in short we are going to study the concept of DTMF dialing system. So that is known as dual tone multi-frequency dialer. Dual tone, it generates two tones having assigned many frequency to the respective rows and columns. So friends, if you are well acquainted with this particular dialing system, if you open your mobile, on your mobile, the keypad is available. Priorly, on mobile handset externally only the keypad is available, but nowadays as a being we are using almost all touch screen aspect to perform any operation on the mobile. The keypad is also made available on the screen whenever you want to dial the number or whenever you want to operate that particular mobile set. So that dialing system is known as dual tone multi-frequency dialing system. What exactly it is? It is the dialing system which is arranged in the form of rows and columns. The minimum required keypad contains 3 by 4 matrix, that means 3 columns and 4 rows. In every row, the numbers are associated. The keypad begins with the number 1, 2, 3 in first row, 4, 5, 6 in second row, 7, 8, 9 in third row, and 0 at the center of the last row. In addition to that, it makes use of the star and hash key, which have the special keys are used to dial the fast dialing aspect. The use of star and hash key is a special one because they are used to dial the number fastly. For every row and every column, certain frequencies are assigned. For column, higher group frequencies are assigned. For rows, the lower group frequencies are assigned. The lower group frequencies are 697 Hz, 770 Hz, 852 Hz and 941 Hz. Whereas higher group frequency which are assigned to the column, that is 1209 Hz, 13336 Hz and 1477 Hz. This is the normal keypad we are using simply to dial the number. But nowadays, some additional aspects are also associated with this particular keypad. If a fourth column is added, that is the alphabetic numbers A, B, C, D having the frequency 1633 Hertz, then that keyboard we can call it as it is an extended keyboard. And at present we are using extended keyboard as a DTMF dialing system. They have multi-frequency which are assigned. For rows 697 Hz to 941 Hz, for columns 1209 to 1633 Hz. So that's why it is called as a multi-frequency. Dual tone depends upon operation of a particular key. When you will press the particular number, for that particular number, two frequencies are going to be attached, at the cost of which two tones are going to be generated. Corresponds to those particular frequency after converting them into the audio pitch. Friends, below each number present in the on the keypad, there is a touch plate, and below that there is a electronic circuit which is capable to recognize which key is pressed, and depending upon key pressed, it generates the electronic signal associated with dual multi-frequency producing the two tones. Depends upon the selected frequency for which we press the particular key. Friends, same aspect is being utilized on our remote control system also. On remote control system also there is a keypad. Below every keypad there is a touch plate or electronic circuitry which is designed on printed circuit board. What is a touch plate? Touch plate is a carbon coated material which is used to bring the connection between the electronic circuitry and the number which we are going to press it. Such a keypad containing 0 to 9 numbers, that is 10 numbers, star, hash key and extended keys, we can call it as it is a DTMF dialer, and below that touch plate along with the electronic circuitry constitute DTMF dialing system. Nowadays, along with this keypad, on every key some letters, alphanumeric alphabets are also going to be existing. Especially on second key, it can be used for ABC, third key is used for DEF, fourth is used for GHI, fifth is used for JKL, sixth is used for MNO, seventh is used for PQRS, eighth is used for TUV, and 9 is used for WXY, and last one is used for Z. So these alphabets are used to do the additional function by using the same key. For typing, for additional aspect, the same key can be used. So that is multiple applications are going to be utilized by means of such a dialing system. Thus we can say A keypad containing 0 to 9 numbers, star, hash and alphanumerics associated with high group frequency to the rows, lower group frequency to the columns is known as DTMF dialing system. Friends, when you press any of the particular key, let me suppose if you press say key number 5, when you press key number 5, it will acquire the frequency of 1336 from the column and 770 Hz from the row. These frequencies are get associated with key 5 which we have pressed. Those frequency will be converted into the tones, and for every number there is a different frequency which is associated. Whatever may be your 9 digit, 10 digit number you are going to dial, for every that particular 10 digit number you have to utilize, or key has to utilize its corresponding row and column frequency to recognize that particular electronic circuitry as that particular key has been pressed, and it will generate the high current pulse to pass to the local loop of the telephone line, and it is provided to the telephone exchange. Telephone exchange recognizes that particular dial number and generates the ringtone to the called subscriber and ringback tone to the calling subscriber, so that calling subscriber is going to recognize that our call is going on and telephone exchange is doing its own job. This dialing system is very fast. That is the advantage of DTMF dialing system. It uses solid state device to generate and to detect the tones. Means within the keypad, within the internal electronic circuitry, it uses the solid state devices. Means the devices which are made up of the silicon and germanium. Maybe it is in the form of integrated circuit, or maybe it is in the form of transistorized circuit that is used to detect the tone and also to generate the tone. That is the second advantage. Third one is, after connection of call, it can be used for low speed data transmission also. Means once the call has been connected, same keypad can be used for other application. Next one is, it is more compatible with electronically controlled exchange. Means this keypad is compatible with the electronic telephone exchange. It is not suited for Stagger varying center feed or local feed telephone exchanges. Such a system is presently and widely used dialing system that is known as DTMF dialer or dual tone multi-frequency dialer. Let me go through line by line. A dual tone multi-frequency dialing is used in the exchanges having the equipment to process such a calls. Means especially in the electronic telephone. Electronic telephone exchange is the exchange that possesses the such a equipments which are capable to process the calls which are generated from the DTMF dialer. So that's why this dialing system is suitable only for the telephone exchange. Otherwise, the pulse dialing system is a common method. This employs push button keypad instead of rotary dial. Rotary dial is present in the pulse dialing system. A keypad with 12 keys having 0 to 9 numbers and hash, star symbols are employed, but some special purpose telephone will have fourth column as A, B, C, D keys, and it is represented in this particular format. which is quite common we are using in our everyday life nowadays as a dialing system even on the mobile or on the telephone handset. Student friends, the keypad has frequency assigned as a lower group to rows from 697 Hz to 941 Hz and higher group frequency as 1209 Hz to 1633 Hz for columns. So which we are represented here. So these are the lower group frequency and these are the higher group frequency. When key is pressed, electronic circuit generates two tones corresponding to that particular key which we pressed. For example, if you press key 6, a tone of 852 Hz and 1477 Hz will be generated. For keypad 12 key, 12 unique tone combinations are produced. Such a dialing system, we can call it as it is a DTMF dialing system. In DTMF dialing system, dialing is very fast. It uses solid state devices to generate and detect the dialed tones. After connection of call, it can be used for low speed data transmission. It is more compatible with electronically controlled telephone exchange. Friends, such a dialing system which is used in present day to dial the number on the mobile or even on the telephone handset is known as DTMF dialer or DTMF dialing system. Friends, present day almost all landline communication has been stopped because most of the communication is taking place via mobile only. So that's why it is most presently used dialing system which we have studied. Next time we'll go for the next aspect of the telephone communication.